started out building a big custom designed greenhouse, and after years of growing in zone 1 we needed more space for potatoes and brassicas, so we started clearing another spot to put a hoop house. And rock after rock we dug and we cleared, and it seemed to take so long that before we knew it, July was here and we were late planting our potatoes. We didn't have much soil because we're scrounging from the land. We collected moose poop, we collected our sawdust and lots of chicken manure, and we spread that out as best we could, and we made some beds for our potatoes. Because we had no time to wait for them to scab over after cutting, we decided to use Portland cement. Now, you have to make sure every bit of wet, new, fresh cut potato part is got a nice coat of the cement on it, and set those aside, wash your hands really well, or use gloves, whatever you need to do, but plant them right away. You make your little trenches and you plant the potato with these sprouts up, and we put them about 6 to 8 inches apart. Sometimes we crowded them because we wanted to get them all in, but we really didn't have enough soil to hill them. So we wanted to make sure we put them at a depth where they could at least give us something this year. Being the first year for this potato bed, it was just important we got these in the ground and done. And that finally happened on July 2nd. I saved a row for brassicas and some lettuce and onions, and this is all kind of a test right now because we are in zone 1 and we always get a frost in the summer every month before the full moon, so we're really hoping we don't have to keep covering the garden once a month. We won't be closing this greenhouse in until next season. So I'm probably gonna get a frost tomorrow or the next day because we are getting down in temps, but cauliflowers are looking excellent. Gonna have to pick some of these lettuces before they, get frosty, but cabbages are doing really nice. But these potatoes, holy moly. We just planted them July 2nd, and today's September 3rd, so 2 months. I don't know if we had time to actually develop potatoes underneath, but they're starting to spread out, lay down. We couldn't hill them like we wanted to because we just don't have the soil. But let's see. Oh my gosh. Look how big they are. Wow. 2 months of growing and I've got great sized potatoes. I thought they'd be way smaller than that, but holy moly, we are gonna have a lot of potatoes. All right, time to harvest some potatoes. Potato harvesting time. Just the beginning. Yes, those are rocks. Those are potatoes. And that's Arön. And that's Arön. Hi, Arön. Look at all those potatoes. Nice. These are called warbas.
Irishman can grow potatoes, anybody can.
Well, there you go. There you have it. Right from the Irishman's mouth. These are Pontiac Reds. And we dug up all of the warbas. What do you think of Stormy there, Arön? Too exhausting for you, Storm?
He loves his potatoes.
Apparently.
He must be an Irish wolfhound instead of a...
Well, he's a gardener, we know that. He's upset that you get to dig and he doesn't.
That's what it is.
That's probably what it is. So we have our row of warba, new potatoes, our Pontiac Reds, and we're just digging up the Elmsworth Farm Alberta potatoes. They are a family heirloom potato. By the looks of it, we're going to have enough potatoes to get us through the winter, and hopefully enough seed potatoes to plant next year. So if we were to save more seed potatoes, would you save more of the Elmsworth or the Pontiacs? These ones?
But there's a lot more.
Well, there you go, Elmsworth Farm. 2 months of growing gets you potatoes like this. It's pretty big potatoes. Beautiful. 2 months. I can't believe it's only been 2 months.